What up investors, it's your boy Dayo. Welcome back to Frunkla Investment. Thank you for the likes, for the comments, and of course for always supporting me. And thank you guys for the birthday wishes. Yesterday was my birthday and I received tons of messages from you guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. All right, so you guys would agree with me that there is nothing I can do to increase the stock price of Bionano Genomics. Even if I post 1,000 videos on a daily basis, you guys know that there is no way I can manipulate the stock price, okay? But there is one thing I can do, and that thing is to post as many informative video content as possible and share it with you guys so that you can at least, hopefully that can increase your conviction, in this company with your investment in Bionano Genomics. That is of course the reason why I created this channel, to share more information, more valuable content with you guys so that you guys can at least make your own decision about your investment in this company. Okay, so today I'm going to be taking you guys to the memory lane. We are going to be taking a look at 2 times Bionano Genomics became a victim of delisting, okay? Because this channel is about education. It's not only about Bionano Genomics. Most of everything that I am sharing on this channel, you can easily apply it to other companies, other stocks as well. And I believe you guys are not 100% invested in BNGO. Some of you guys have, other companies like Nano Dimension and so on and so forth. So twice Bionano Genomics came close, to being delisted from the Nasdaq Stock Market. The first one happened on the 16th of August 2019 when Bionano Genomics received a notice that from Nasdaq Stock Market that the company is at risk of being delisted because they don't have enough money in their balance sheet. Okay, according to Nasdaq, they more or less think that like Bionano Genomics was about to go bankruptcy. And the second one happened in 2020, around April 24th, 2020, when the stock of BNGO was trading somewhere around 35 cents, guys, 35 cents. April 2020, okay? If you guys could go back in time, I believe you guys would go with your ship, you go with your boat, you go with everything, you borrow all the ship, and you would load the stock of BNGO like crazy. Back in 2020, the stock was trading below $1 for almost 3 consecutive months, and that is the reason why Nasdaq almost delisted BNGO once again. Okay, they gave Bionano Genomics, I believe, like 90 days or so to make sure that they are in compliance, with the rules set by Nasdaq. And that was the 2 times that BNGO came close to being delisted from the Nasdaq, so that you guys can understand how much this company has suffered, okay, how hard it has been for the management of BNGO. It has not been easy, guys. The reason why I'm making this video is because I still receive tons of comments every day like Dayo, if we have positive catalysts coming in every day, why is the stock price not rising? You also have to put yourself in the shoe of the CEO, for example. Okay, imagine running a company that is about to get delisted from Nasdaq, which of course is going to affect them from raising money, okay, for raising fund. That is the reason why this year January, when the stock price shoots towards $15, okay, Bionano Genomics, they quickly use that advantage, that opportunity to raise as much money as possible. And that is why we have enough money, for example, to acquire Biodiscovery, okay? So that is the 2 occasions where BNGO came close to being delisted. So to conclude this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys, okay, I'm going to share with you guys, let me see, I'm gonna share with you guys the price action of Bionano Genomics just to conclude this video, because yesterday I promised you guys that I wanted to show you something from the technical analysis, and this is it right here, guys. So this is what I wanted to show you guys yesterday, okay, because I made a video yesterday and I didn't conclude that video. If you go to the weekly, okay, you have to go to the weekly. Take a look at this candlestick right here. This is a reversal pattern, guys. If you take a good look at this weekly, you can see that we came down once, then we came down twice. Okay, this is the second downward, and this more or less like a double bottom on the weekly. Okay, you can easily put an arrow right here and put another arrow. Let me see if I have arrow in this arrow. Okay, I have arrow right here. So this is one and this is the second one. You guys can easily see it. Okay, this is the second one, this is the first one. You can see that this is more or less a double bottom, from the weekly. Okay, let me reduce it a little bit so that you guys can see it clearly. You see, you can see this is a double bottom, 1 and 2. So the thing is, this second one, there is a possibility that for the next 4, 5, 6 weeks, the price is more or less going to stay below $5 US. Okay, 5.5 US dollars or below 6 US dollars, there is that possibility until we see a major news about more sales of the Sapphire device. I think we need to see something. I think investors are waiting to see sales. Okay, investors are waiting to see sales. They are tired of hearing all these other positive catalysts, in my opinion. That's why nothing has been happening with the price of the stock. Okay, I mean, if we see what investors are waiting for, the price is going to shoot up. Okay, so the thing is, there is a possibility this consolidation is going to remain the same, and this is going to create opportunity for whoever wants to accumulate shares of Bionano Genomics. There is no need to rush, guys. There is no need to be in a hurry. There is still plenty of time to acquire as many shares as possible. If you want to get rich quick overnight, we have cryptocurrency going up crazy, like we have Bitcoin went up like 8% yesterday. We have Dogecoin, we have Shiba Inu that was up like 50% last month. I always share a lot of stocks, other stocks with you guys on this channel. So there are other things out there that you can at least play with in the meantime while you acquire as many shares of Bionano Genomics as possible. Okay, so if you zoom in a little bit, you guys can see that this candlestick right here, let me remove this. I want to show you. Look at that. I mean, this is more or less a reversed hammer. Okay, you can call it a reversed hammer, you can call it a doji. You guys can see that this more or less an exhausted candlestick pattern. Okay, sellers are tired. Okay, they are tired. So as long as there is no bad news from Bionano Genomics, I mean, I am very sure sellers are done. Okay, 2 weeks ago, they tried to push the price down below $5 US, but it didn't work. And this week, you guys can see that they couldn't push it below that level. Okay, but we tried to push it up after we announced the acquisition of Biodiscovery, but nothing happened. The price came back down. So at least we closed green. So this is the candlestick. This one right here is a reversal pattern, guys. I mean, we just have to wait and see. Okay, because a lot of things are happening with BNGO right now, and it's really difficult to apply technical analysis. That's why I don't talk much about technical analysis right now. I just try to focus on fundamental analysis, because this company right here is a retirement stock for me, and there is no reason to be in a hurry. Okay, but of course we also have to talk about the short-term price action for those of you that are super interested in that. So that's where I'm going to be ending this video. Thank you guys for the support. Remember to smash the like button before you leave. This is Frunkla Investment. Have a wonderful weekend, guys. See you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.